Hey, this is Sabrina from 7th Stream, and I'm going to show you how to set up a new landing page using ClickFunnels. So what you're going to do is once you log in, you're going to go ahead and click on ClickFunnels in the upper right, and then you're going to click on Funnels, and that will take you to this page here. Now this will show you all of your existing funnels, and then you can go ahead and click on Add New to create a new funnel. So once you get here, you're going to have two different options. You have a cookbook option and you have a new funnel from scratch. So basically the cookbook option gives you some preset funnels that you can then go in and edit. So for example, if you're looking at a webinar funnel, it'll give you a webinar landing page option and a thank you page and probably a confirmation page. There might be some with upsells and downsells. I haven't played with all of them yet, but that's what the cookbook option is. Then you have the classic funnel builder, which is the one that I prefer to use just because I'm already kind of familiar with the funnel building process. So I like to go ahead and build my own from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and click create new funnel. And then to help you kind of along and help you see the right templates when you go in to create your funnel, it asks you, are you looking to collect emails? Are you looking to sell a product? Or are you looking to host a webinar? If it's neither of those, then you can create a custom funnel. The most common thing that you guys are probably going to do is collect emails. We are selling products through Infusionsoft, so we do use a sell product option, and we also sell webinars. So if you are ever in that boat, you want to do the sell your product option, and then the hosting a webinar is typically a free registration from their templates from what I've seen. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose the collect emails option. Then it's going to have you go ahead and name your funnel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to name this how to sell a house guide. Let me do the complete guide. Okay. Now select a group tag. These group tags are basically the kind of groupings of people in your ClickFunnels system based on what they've interacted with, what funnels they've interacted with. So I created one called How to Sell a House in Las Vegas Guide, and that will basically tell me anybody who has downloaded this guide from my ClickFunnels. So then I'm gonna go ahead and click Build Funnel. Okay. So that is how to get started with your funnel. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to choose and edit a template.